guys, we have finally made it. We have made it. Let's clock in, let's clock in. So excited to be on campus today. We are at Waterfall. I'm so excited to check out this place. It is amazing, the architecture, stunning. Welcome, 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 welcome. We are here, we are here. What is up everybody, my name is Jordan and I'm finally excited to announce that I'll be going on a campus tour to each of our STADIO campuses where I'll be showing you the vibe, the students and the way we kick it right here. Today I'm at the STADIO Waterfall Campus where we are going to check out the facilities, check out the student vibes so that you can see where your future starts. Let's go! Welcome to the lecture rooms where our students gain first-hand knowledge and insight into their future careers. If you're looking for a place just to chill after a long day of studying, we've got you. Now y'all are cool. How are you? No chicken. What is up, everybody? I don't like what you guys are doing, but it's fine. And this is our library, where students have access to resources and information. And if you're looking for a quiet place to study, we've got you. And this is the auditorium hall, where our future graduates will be crossing the stage and stepping into their future careers.
Brandon Chawia, BCom Law.
Larato Mahana, B8.
Sarah Samoes, BCom in Accounting.
Welcome to our cafeteria. Wherever we are, Vida Cafe is here. Last year, we told you we're building, but this year, we're up and running. These multi-purpose courts are here for STADIO students who want to participate in netball, volleyball, basketball, cricket, and soccer. As you know, STADIO loves sports. This year, we're starting our very own rugby club here in Gauteng. And if you are in matric right now and you would love to play rugby, STADIO is the perfect place for you. And this year, you can look out for STADIO at the USAs and the Varsity Cup. And that is a wrap, guys. So if you would like to study with us at the School of Education, School of Law, Commerce, Arts and Humanities, and Information Technology, we've got you. For more information, visit our website today at www.stadio.ac.za. And the next up, ladies and gentlemen, Centurion, we're coming to you. Who's shooting?
You are. But yeah, you versus.
Okay, I'm not a shooter though, I'm a defender.
No.
And from Waterfall Campus, it's a wrap!